我會覺得小朋友嘅創意似係一個未入爐嘅蛋糕，咁擺埋一齊之後呢，我哋未入到焗爐都唔知佢出現係一個咩嘅狀態，咁亦都正正係佢哋小朋友好有趣嘅地方。
盡快咁樣接觸呢個世界上面嘅甜酸苦辣鹹咧，其實係直接咁樣影響佢哋嘅眼界啦，佢哋嘅創意啦，對佢哋嘅性格嘅培育同埋嘅成長咧，係起一個好重要嘅作用。
Well, when you're creative, you're more smart.
When you have a real instrument, sometimes the creativity is less. In this case, you have many chances, so the kids find their own personal way. They have to think about it, the process on how I will play these things to make a sound that I like it.
每個小朋友都係白紙嘛，咁其實佢可以接觸到越多嘅嘢，佢個腦入邊所記憶嘅嘢就個記憶體就越嚟越多，咁佢選擇啲乜嘢嘢記憶，然後再加佢自己嘅發揮，咁佢個材料就越多咯。天花龍鳳咯，最冇 original 咯，最冇包袱咯，呢個正正係最珍貴嘅地方咯。大咗之後可能會冇咗咯。
I feel like these little explorers are born creative, and this is not a way of bringing out creativity, but to just nurture what's already there. Spontaneous and flexible, and not just in their bodies, but in their emotions.
整個 program 其實我就好想小朋友係喺一啲以前可能係有框框底下做唔到嘅嘢，而家喺我呢個課堂裏邊咧，就可以俾佢哋任意發揮，影出嚟隻手可能黐滿薯片係一種影像，呢個影像係代表可能就係打破框框嘅感覺。